Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this position. It is white to play and win, and white pawns are going forward in this direction and black pawns are going downward in this direction. So it's white to play and win, and white has a knight. Basically the material is equal, but if you had a chance to look at it in the thumbnail, the black bishop is stuck by its own piece here. As you can see, the black bishop can't go out from the corner, and that is a problem. So we are going to take advantage on it. As always, pause the video and guess the move. Good luck. Okay, so the first thing you should consider in this position is the bishop is just trapped, and you have to win the opposition, right? So if you do these two things, you are going to win. And the first move is to play king to d4. So we are going to get into the bishop like this and capture the bishop, because the bishop is just trapped, and we are going to win with the knight up. However, there is a problem for that, because black can't play king to c8. Black is going to attack our knight, and our original plan may not work, right? So that is the idea. But we play king to h4 regardless. So now black is going to attack our knight. So we can't actually get here, and from that get here and get there and capture the bishop. We have to save the knight. But the move in this position, the correct move that make us the winner, is the move knight to g7, sacrificing the knight. I'll explain why in a couple of moves later. So here the idea is black has to capture the knight. Otherwise, if black didn't capture the knight, for example, if black plays a king move, we play a king move, black may attack the knight twice, but here we can simply capture the other pawns with our knight. So that would be just simple for us, right? Black moves, we start capturing the other pawns, and we are going to eventually win the game, because this is just black's bishop is just stuck, and that would be very easy for us. However, in this position, if black in this position captures the knight like this, what we are going to do is not attack the bishop. That would be just a draw, right? So the correct move is actually to push the pawn. The idea is we have to win the opposition, right? We have to waste a move here to win the opposition later. That is the idea of moving the pawn and letting black to capture our queen. So you got to remember the opposition thing, like I said. Now we get with the king, and black has to move the king closer. We get to the bishop. It doesn't matter if black moves the bishop or moves the king, it doesn't really matter. We capture the bishop, and now see, we get the opposition, right? So black moves, we move, black moves, we move. Because of these pawns, black can't go out of this cage. Black has to go around like this to go out of the cage, but black wouldn't have that much moves, and on the next move we simply capture the pawn, and black may play a move like this, but we are going to play to the other moves. Black can now play an opposition like this, but like I said, we can get the other pawns, right? Black can capture our pawn, but at the end of the day we can capture this pawn and win the game like this. So all of this is to win the opposition, right? So this is actually the solution of the puzzle. There are a lot of things we need to consider in this position, but if we just played all of the moves, obviously the video would be so long and that is going to be very boring. So I don't want to make that kind of video. So guys, this is the solution for a recap. First we are going to play king to g4, and our main idea is to capture the bishop like this. But since black wouldn't let us to win the game without a fight, black would attack our knight as well, and we are going to sacrifice the knight like this. The idea is, like I said, to just win the opposition. Right here in this position, you may notice that black captures, we push, black captures again, and now our king gets closer, right? So that you need to just put that into mind, right? So this is the solution of the puzzle. After all of this opposition, we are going to win the pawns, and at the end we are going to win the game. So this is the solution of the puzzle. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.